Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Chris, and in today's video, we're gonna try and get this thing running without taking a piston to the face. All right, so we are gonna start at the front and move our way back when we do this. First is the radiator, but we're gonna talk real quick about our radiator support because I messed something up last week, and thanks to our friend Cole, who has a 66, told us that our rubber mount was in the wrong spot. So we did switch it up, and as you can see, it's a lot more sturdy than it was. So we're drop the radiator, then we're gonna come back and we're gonna start filling this thing up with oil and then distributor. But what we did find out is we're gonna talk about our starter. So this is the replacement starter that we bought, and this is off of the 63 from the backyard. As you can see, they're completely different, and this one actually doesn't fit, even though, according to online, it's supposed to. So we're gonna put this one on, and we're gonna see if we can find a replacement for that in the time being. So we're gonna start by putting on this radiator. All right, so as you saw in the last post, we ran into a lot of issues, so we're back on a new day. We actually got a temperature sensor in because we were shooting coolant out of this hole, so we got that plugged up. So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna keep shooting on this engine and hopefully get this thing started. So we have a new hose for the upper radiator. We have our distributor, we have our spark plugs, we have spark plug wires, and a brand new starter that we found at Napa Auto Parts. So we are ready to go. We're gonna start throwing some parts on this thing and hopefully get it running. All right, so we have the oil all primed, the oil pump primed. We did run into a little bit of a problem because we forgot to plug off the water pump, so we lost a little bit of coolant when we were setting it up. But now what we're gonna do is we're gonna drop the distributor. We have set the timing to top dead center, so hopefully it should pretty much just drop in once we get the oil pump lined up with the distributor. Drop right in, put our spark plugs in, and hopefully get this thing running. Alright guys, are you ready? We're gonna try and start this thing for the very first time. Oh, should probably get it set up straight. Alright, here we go. Ready, Geno? Holy cow, guys, we built a motor. Like, that thing sounds nuts. So that is gonna be a wrap for today's video. We'll see you guys next week on Restoration Rescue. You guys have a great day.